Stop! Look, this looks like your last bite. Look at that, your last one.
I want to eat my cornbread.
Take your last bite first, and then you can just drink your milk and eat your cornbread. One more bite.
It's like we're feeding them worms or something.
Ow! I ate the worm.
Oh yeah, you've had worms before?
Av, don't drop that. Take a bite. It's much better than worms.
Okay. Now you're just trying to be funny, we know.
All done.
Mom.
So, you guys want chili next week?
No!
No. I mean, no, thank you.
No, thank you.
How about chicken chili?
No, I hate chicken chili all the time. Please.
How about doggy chili?
No!
We're not going to eat Harley.
Well, we'll get the neighbor's dog or something.
No! What neighbor's dog?
Roxy.
There's a last dog somewhere.
Roxy's next door. Don't you remember Roxy that you meet?
There's last.
No, Evan hasn't met
There's
Did you meet Roxy?
there's a last puppies. Next door on the left. Probably.
Yeah, that's where Roxy is.
Yes.
Bye.
Like.
Good kiss.